You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say this name from India, as well as how to say more vocabulary. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more, two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. Nilgai, Nilgai, or it's also pronounced as Nilgai, Nilgai, or Nilgai. And now you know more videos where you're here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.